Hello everyone, welcome. This is Beth with Pearl Treasure Designs here once again, and we have some amazing collaborations for you today. But we're going to get into that a little bit later and introduce to you all of the hosts and co-hosts later on in the video. So let's go ahead and head to the craft room and see what's cooking. DIY number 1. The first project is a door knocker. I found this at a thrift store and decided to paint it aqua, washed with water. And I had a door knocker that I found also at the thrift store that I'm going to add on to this. And I love how this looks. It looks like a spirally looking water wheel, I guess. But with the knocker is black, and you're going to get to see more of this as I get into placing the hardware onto this wood piece. It is a solid piece of wood that is about 1 inch thick, and I did get this again at the thrift store. It was a great find, and I had it in my stash for quite some time. So I'm just doing the finishing touches with this, as you can see, and making sure that it's all blended well with that whitewash with the Peacock Waverly chalk paint. So I took this out with my my drill, and I'm putting the door knocker on. I did attach the top of it with some jute rope through a hole to hang it. And there you have it. DIY number 2. Well, I am making a plate riser out of this Kiss the Cook trivet. I am originally adding these riser knobs, but you'll see later on that I did change it out. So we're getting ready to show you that I had it painted completely white, and then I used antiquing wax in all of the cracks and crevices in every little hole there, and front and back. And here's the finished look with that. And I added these riser legs instead of the stubby ones. I liked it better, and I liked the height that it would give me. So you'll get to see more of this at the final reveal. Welcome y'all to What Would You Make Open Invite with our host, OK at Home DIY, Connie's Woodshop and DIYs, and our guest host this month, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. You'll find the links to their channels in my description box, so please be sure to check out their channels. They have some amazing DIYs on a budget, so show them some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing to their channel. If you've been here watching for any amount of time, you know we support each other, so please do the same. DIY number 3. So here we are, we're making a tag project here. So I pre-painted some boards and cut them to size. And so I'm just cutting off with a sander any extraneous stickers, or wood pieces that might poke somebody, and distressing them with a large grit. And so now I'm taking those and I am putting a bee honeycomb over each one of the 3 blocks so that they can go together as a unit. And I picked the metallic gold to go and make this design on each of these blocks. And then I stamped it with some bee stamps, and you'll get to see that in just a second. So I love how this came out, and y'all are going to get to see this at the final reveal. The final reveal. Welcome to the Chic Shack with Beth from Pearl Treasure Designs and Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack. Come see us at Waverly Antique Mall in booth 208. We can't wait to see you guys. So come on down and check it out. We have a lot to offer, and leave me comments. Let us know how you like our booth.
Go!
Hello everyone, thanks for watching. A big shout out to all my subscribers out there. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. That helps me out tremendously. Then if you could press that like button and share with all your friends, I would greatly appreciate that. And leave me a comment. It does help the algorithm move these videos forward, and it helps support all of our channels. So go ahead and do that, and we can do it together. Until next time, see you later.